guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new around here, hello, we're SplatterBox Art, and our goal is to bring fun painting lessons to you at home. Today, you will be learning step by step how to paint Andy Warhol inspired donuts. This is a style of art known as pop art. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get started. The first thing I'd like to see you do is we need to split our paper in two. The easiest way to do that is measure the length of the paper and divide it in half. Then you'll make two little tick marks going down so that you know where to trace. I'm going to have you repeat that same process on the other side of the piece of paper, and then we'll have our four sections. Awesome job, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's get ready for our donuts. For the first one, I'd like you to start with just a big circle. And don't worry if it's not a perfect circle. No donut is perfect. Now, our donut hole. And I actually want you to make this not perfect. See how mine is a little wobbly? For this one, we're going to do it a little differently. Instead of a full circle, as we come back around, we want to make it look like the frosting is dripping. And we're going to reveal the bottom part of the donut. Do you guys see how I did that? Let's do the same thing on the inside, a little bit of dripping, and finish off the circle. Great job. All right, time for our third donut. As we come around, give him a little drip and make him his unperfect circle. Let's add on the bottom part of the donut and then our donut hole. Check out this shape. It's definitely not perfect. And remember, guys, if I'm going a little too quickly, pause the video and rewind. You can watch it as many times as you want. All right, we're ready for a few more details and we'll be ready to paint. And don't forget, guys, when we paint, that's when I tell you all our fun facts about donuts, Andy Warhol, and some other really fun, interesting things. All right, add on that frosting. These are starting to look good enough to eat. Now that I see all the donuts drawn, the one on the bottom left-hand corner, I'm not happy with the inside. The angle is just a little off, so I'm going to erase it and finish it up a little differently. Whoops, I guess I'm still not happy. One more adjustment, guys, and then it's time to paint. All right, guys, this is my favorite part, painting. I'm going to speed the video up. Keep listening for our fun facts, and I'll check back in a little bit. Well, I'm already here with our first fact. Did you know, in 1961, Andy Warhol came up with the concept of using regular daily life products as his subject matter for his art. He then later used celebrities and coined it pop art. He would use these commercial images and reproduce them over and over again. One of his most iconic images is actually of just a tomato soup can. Isn't that funny? He would separate his canvas and create the same image multiple times, just like how we're doing 4 donuts, with 4 different color backgrounds and decorated. Wow, this is looking great, guys. We're almost there. Let's quickly add in our donut color. It could be gold, tan, or even brown for a chocolate donut. Up to you guys. Did you know every year in the United States more than 10 billion donuts are made? That's a lot of donuts. But in Canada, they only make about 1 billion donuts, but they have more donut shops per capita than any country around the world. And if you didn't know what per capita means, it just means for each person. And in Boston, there is one donut shop for every 2,480 people. Wow. Alright, I have another fun fact. Did you know the most iconic donut shop is in Hollywood? It's called Randy's Donuts. It's appeared in many movies, including Crocodile Dundee and Iron Man 2. Have you ever noticed it? It's a building with a giant donut on top. Alright, while I start highlighting and adding in the shadows to our donut, I have one more fun fact for you. Did you know that in France, donuts were once called pet de non, which translates to nun's farts? Why is that word so funny? I hope you guys had fun decorating your donuts. Now it's time to outline. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the painting. It makes the whole thing pop. And doesn't that just fit perfectly since we're making pop art? Alright guys, and with that, it's time to shade, so mix a little bit of water into your black and follow along. This is just going to give us a little bit extra dimension and make the donuts look like they're popping off the page. We're almost done. I just thought our painting needed one more step, guys. Grab a pencil and use the eraser to make polka dots. Use a complementary color. Do you see how I used a darker turquoise on top of the lighter and a lighter pink on top of the darker pink? Try your best, guys. I think it'll just wrap it up perfectly. I'm so proud of you guys. You did such a wonderful job. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, and I can't wait to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye!